Welcome to MoneyTreez Gaming, the premier xtoadz and Blockbones NFT channel. This is my personal NFT journey and not financial advice. Thanks for hopping in, and let's get today's video started. Welcome back, all my toads, bones, and flare fanatics, to MoneyTreez Gaming channel. We've got an exciting update on the FLR FASSET Beta demo testing, as they've got a nice little user interface upgrade that we're going to go ahead and show you today. Before we get started with today's video, please do help your boy out. Hop on down there, subscribe to the YouTube channel to stay up to date with all things FASSET system with FLR. We also cover the xtoadz NFT project, which has their new dApp launching this week, or should we call it the marketplace. The thing is going to be unbelievable. Of course, that's on the XRPL. There's a new tokenomics system with that project as well, which is going to be huge. So again, you're going to want to subscribe to stay up to date with that project. The tokenomics information should be coming out probably today as well. We also, again, cover the Blockbones NFT project, which is also on the FLR network. They are just launching their final traits before the rarity-based rewards start there in Q4. Where we're going to turn on that FLR faucet. Again, you will earn rewards on Blockbones in FLR. So again, subscribe, keep up to date with these amazing projects, as well as the FLR FASSET system. All right, we're going to start right here on the beta testing website, which is FASSET-beta.flarelabs.org. And you can see we've got a nice little an updated user interface. This thing's a lot easier to use now. Everything is kind of all in one here. We're going to start out here with getting the C FLR or the costume FLR. So again, you'll just click here, which will take you over to this tab. Again, you can get 100 C FLR. Again, we do need to grab the FLR address first, so we'll go ahead and copy that. Head back on over there. We're going to grab the 100 FLR. Put the address in, request it, and then they should send it right to our wallet here. So back over to the FASSETs demo, and you'll see now we're sitting at 128 FLR or C FLR. So now that we have our C FLR and we're loaded up with our test XRP, we're going to go down here to the FASSET system here. We're going to click mint, and we're going to go ahead and try to mint, 40 lots here, which will be 800 of the test XRP. So we'll go ahead and hit next here. Again, you're going to need your Bifrost wallet in developer mode. Again, if you're not sure how to do that, check out my first FASSET beta testing video. It'll show you how to get that into developer mode. Mine's it's still in developer mode, so I didn't have to change anything. All right, so we marked that there on our Bifrost wallet. And now it is going into the minting process. So we're step 1 of 4. Again, this says that it can take up to 5 minutes. So this is what we're going to go ahead and let run. And we'll see you when this is done. And here we are wrapping things up here. Step 4 of 4. This went a lot quicker this time than previously. So I don't know if the new UI system is also maybe a little bit faster. But this went through pretty quick. And we're just going to go ahead and let this do its final thing here. And there we go, it's finished up. We can now access our FASSETs in our wallet. So we'll go back home. You can see that updated real fast. The 800 F test XRP. And then you can see, of course, our regular XRP balance went down to 198. Of course, there was a little 2 XRP fee for that. If you are doing the beta testing, please don't forget to redeem. People were not redeeming, and it was making the agents full so that people couldn't mint. So do redeem as well. If you're doing the testing, it does help out the network quite a bit. So we're going to just go ahead and redeem it all. It'll ask you to accept that here on the Bifrost wallet. And there it goes. We're redeeming our F test XRP. This is a lot quicker to redeem. Again, it takes about 30 seconds. And this should be done here shortly. All right, and there you see on the screen, the redemption process is complete. So again, pretty simple. Obviously very similar to the previous FASSET testing video, just the user interface is a lot nicer, cleaner, all right here in front of us. But let's head on over to X real quick. And I just wanted to show you some stats here on the beginning of testing that were pretty impressive. So looking at the FLR Networks page here, impressive metrics from the open beta reset of the FASSET system, which has been live for just 6 hours. Obviously, at this point, it's been live for a few days, but in the first 6 hours, it's had 1.37 million traded. They had 930,000 trade volume and 7,000 transactions. So that's pretty impressive there for just the first 6 hours of the new testing system. Again, we're excited to get this FASSET system launched. I've heard that it may be launching on Songbird first. Unfortunately, we don't have much Songbird, not enough to really get involved there. So we're waiting for it to launch live on FLR, which we're really going to be excited for. So that's going to pretty much do it for today's video on the updated FLR FASSET beta testing. Again, if you're here rocking with MoneyTreez Gaming, please do help me out and subscribe to the YouTube channel. Really do appreciate y'all. And that's going to wrap it up for today. FLR fanatics, take them to the outro. Thank you for watching today's video with MoneyTreez Gaming. Don't forget to like and subscribe.